bro, I thought you said this was gonna be a casual dress event, man. You didn't say nothing about grabbing a tux. Shit. Oh well. Oh. Yeah, that tux might go along good with that background. But where are we? Why are we here anyway? Well, I'm here because my wife wouldn't get in the van whenever I said, let's turn this into a house and go to the beach and forget all our problems in Florida. And so that's why I'm here. Y'all are here probably, man, because y'all are awesome, of course. No better place to be, no better way to be, man. Awesome in Shreveport. So this is just a little highlight video, man, I wanted to throw together for y'all. So here it is, me flying the DJI Mini 3 around Shreveport, Louisiana, downtown, checking out some of the different older infrastructure, pretty historic things, shotgun houses. We'll go downtown, see the Slattery building. We'll go see the library, fly under a couple bridges.